Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Microsoft Loop. We'll explore their core functionalities, how they integrate with other tools, and which scenarios each platform best serves. Notion offers a highly customizable workspace for notes and project management, while Microsoft Loop provides a collaborative canvas deeply integrated within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which tool aligns better with your specific needs. Notion truly shines with its unparalleled flexibility and customization. You can build virtually any workflow, from simple note-taking to complex project databases, using its versatile block-based editor. It boasts hundreds of templates to kickstart your projects, and its cross-platform availability ensures you can access your work anywhere. This makes Notion a powerful choice for individuals and teams seeking a highly adaptable digital workspace. Microsoft Loop, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for real-time collaboration within the Microsoft 365 environment. Its unique Loop components are portable, allowing live, synchronized content to flow seamlessly across apps like Teams, Outlook, and Word. This deep integration fosters dynamic teamwork, making it ideal for organizations already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. It's designed for fluid, shared workspaces. Deciding between Notion and Microsoft Loop ultimately depends on your priorities. If you value extreme customization, robust database capabilities, and a platform-agnostic approach, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if deep integration with Microsoft 365, real-time collaborative components, and a streamlined team experience are paramount, then Microsoft Loop will serve you better. Consider your existing tools and team's workflow to make the optimal choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.